Oh, Maggie, that must be the tradesperson. Open the door. Hello, I am here. I am the Tradesperson. I'm sorry, I thought we called a tradesperson. So you do fix, like, plumbing and stuff, right? Oh, honey, no. I'm not a tradesperson. I don't even know what that is. I am a Tradesperson, and today I will be fixing some of your issues around the house. Oh, alright then. Well, can you just go upstairs and fix our plumbing? Yeah, it's all, like, blocked up. It's just really bad. I don't know what's blocking the toilet, though. It's, like, so strange. Of course. I, your Tradesperson, will go and do that immediately. But first, I want to tell you my story. Anyway, the way I got here was that I was going bungee jumping with my special friend, my like elderly husband, and he was just there, and we were like going on the side of this hill because we were gonna go bungee jumping, but I accidentally forgot to tie his rope, so he died. But oh, so sad, because like he just gave me so much money and riches, love and beauty, and yeah, but like, man, all that money, all those estates, all that love and care that I could have gotten from him, that's all gone now because I forgot to tie his bungee jumping rope, so now I have to work in this business instead of just cashing it in from him. I literally had to work at Triadela. Is that the Spanish way of saying Dollar Tree? No! Triadela is a very established, beautiful business. I would never work at a Dollar Tree. Anyway, I'm gonna go and check on your plumbing now. Alright, let's see here. Man, this place is dusty. You guys said that the toilet was on this floor. I can't see it though. Where is it? Oh, the toilet? It's just straight up that hole in the wall. Like, yeah, that's the toilet. That's the toilet? I thought there'd be some plumbing or something that I have to do, but this obviously something that's been blocking this thing. Ooh, okay, well, I can't really see anything. You go check on them. They're probably like upstairs or something. I don't know. I just heard a scream. Oh, okay. Tradesperson? Oh my god! Maggie? Was that you? Maggie? Are you down there? My love, Maggie! I have to go in and save her. Well, I better open that just in case 3 people went in there. Oh my god. The horrors! Oh, it looks like there's one more thing. Hey y'all, I'm the bug that was blocking the toilet. I'm gonna go now, bye.